Okay, here we are. You ready? Little Big Lexus place. We're going to go in here. You hold this, okay? You hold this in your hand while but no, first go in. That's a book. Hold this. Do your hands. Do your hands. Come on. Pick. Touch your hands. Come in. Okay. こんにちは。1万円しかないです。いいですか。すみません。買います。あ、ありがとう。Okay, back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here. What do you want?
唐揚げだから。
You want gyoza? Also?
唐揚げ?
Yeah. 唐揚げだ?
行きましょう。
Go straight. Gotta go in straight. Can you do it? Look, okay.
こっち。
ああ。辛いね。高いね、まずさ。この。What else? You want a cola? Okay. Give me a beer too, okay? Here, try again. Something like this. Give me one beer. One. And one cola. Get a cola. Okay. What about... Chowhan, Skimmeabreakman, Taiwan ramen, Unique ramen. Maybe I'll get some Taiwan ramen, okay? Yeah. Get some Taiwan, super karai Taiwan ramen. Good. Taiwan ramen, Taiwan ramen. Okay? That's enough? Wait? You want some chowhan or something? No? Chowhan though. You don't know? Rice? Who wants more rice? Here, one rice, okay? You have to eat some. We'll share. Okay. Let's take this out. Go give it to the man. Okay? Go ahead. Get them finished. Go give it to the man. Come on. Later, Vic. Just sit down. ここでいいですか? Okay. こっちの方が小さいね。あ、すいません。このテーブルの方がちっちゃい。2人だから。OK。ありがとう。お願いします。
台湾辛さはどうですか？
台湾何？
辛さはどうですか？
辛さ？まあまあ辛い。普通でも辛い。
はい。
普通でもちょっと辛くなる。お願いします。これで。Okay. You want to sit there? You sit there? You sit there, babe. You sit there.
トイレない。
これあるよ。ございます。One beer, one cola, one big rice. one Taiwan ramen, and 10 karages. Okay. So 5 dishes coming, 3 more. Just the food coming next, right? Okay. I should wait for my son to do kampai. Well, the food came and he's still in the toilet. This place is really fast though, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the beer at least. About 500 yen a beer, kind of expensive. They have highballs for 200. I'm sure I'll have another beer anyway, so. I wanted to get maze soba, but I didn't. I only saw one on the menu. It's 2,500 yen. But that's a bit odd. Well, the chicken came, as you can see, it's gorgeous. And this is for little Victor. This is what he wants. Of course, he'll have more. Kind of bad. I gave him a Coca-Cola a couple of days ago, for the first time, and he really liked it. But I should probably stop that. I hate Coca-Cola. It's pretty bad for you. So. Anyway, I like this restaurant though. It's quick and fast. It's simple. It's quick and relatively cheap. Kind of grungy though. It's like a greasy spoon, Izakaya style. He's still in the toilet. He assured me though that he would wipe by himself though. So I guess that's good. Anyway, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Taiwan ramen. Well, as you can tell, there's almost nobody in this place. We have 2 staff and huge, like island type kitchen behind me, you can see. And there's 1 customer. And little Victor's still in the toilet, which is kind of weird. As soon as he came in, he said, he said, I gotta poop. He said, he's poop. So I'm being polite and waiting for him, but couldn't wait much longer to start on the beer. I'm just sitting in there waiting for the urge to come. You know. Sometimes the kid is like, it's funny, once you have a kid, you just don't care if they make references to poop. It's like, you would think that would be the last thing on my mind since I'm eating, about to eat. I mean, like, it would interfere with my appetite, but it doesn't. Whatever. But he's sitting there. It's a single seat toilet. Like that's just one toilet. There's no urinals or anything. It's a tiny little place. Often I'd have to go in and like help him, but he's like, I can take care of it, which is good. They become a little more independent, but he's still like we have to get these tickets, right? You buy these tickets from a vending machine, as you saw, and then you got to hand them to the staff. But he was still shy about that. He seemed to be, a little bit shy with new people. Not my daughter though; she's not shy at all. Yesterday I walked them to school. They wanted to take a walk because it was a beautiful day. I said, let's take the bicycles. It's faster. They know I wanted to take a walk. So we did. So we got to my son's school first. And when we get there, I decided I'm going to use the restroom. So I go into the boys' room. So she goes into the girls' room, unbeknownst to me, because I'm sitting in the bathroom, or in the bathroom. When I come out right away, because just I got one thing to do real quick. And then I get like, she's calling my name, and I'm like, where's that voice coming from? She's like, Papa, Papa. Turns out she's in the girls' bathroom, sitting down, of course, as girls do. And I go in there, and there's just a little puddle of liquid. She made a mistake, right? And her underwear is all wet, and her skirt is all wet. And then there's a big puddle right in front of the toilet. I don't know how she did it, but somehow she missed, while sitting on the toilet, she missed the whole toilet. And yeah, it's a mess. And then she steps down, and you have to take your socks off, your shoes off before you go into the school. So she didn't have shoes on, so she stood in her own pee. And I was like, oh my God, what a horror story. And of course I don't have a change of clothes with me or anything. But the elementary school staff, I don't know how, but they came over and said, oh, well, we got we've got emergency underwear. So they have like a brand new pair of underwear in the bag, you know, unopened. And they gave me a spare pair of little sweatpants. And then I guess these are for emergency situations, but they didn't have any socks, so we had to get her socks. We had to just put her shoes back on after we dropped off my son, and we walked around looking. We went to a convenience store and went to a drugstore, but they didn't have anything. But it was, you know, it's just, I felt like it was like, this is a moment when I just have to reassure her that it's okay. She's a little bit in shock because she hasn't made a mistake in a year or so. And, you know, just reassure her that it's okay. And don't worry. And she was really, we got to her kindergarten, her nursery school. And she's like, I'm so embarrassed I don't have socks. I'm like, don't worry, they have, I knew they have extra socks. They always have extra socks at the nursery school, so I told the staff. And she's in her last year of nursery school, which means next year she'll be first grader. And the staff was like trying to get me to just leave her, like, okay, drop her off, because they want her to do everything by herself. So in the old days, you know, when the child is younger, you drop her off and you help her with her towel and her cup and her bag and everything. But now they're just like, just drop her off and let her do everything by herself. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands? Yes? You gotta wash your hands, man. But like, you know, you still have to remind them to do stuff like that, wash your hands. But being a father is a very interesting experience. So recently, for 1 week or so, he's in between. He's on spring vacation. So in Japan, the school year starts in the first week of April. So he's got about a week or 10, I don't know, about 10 days off before his first classes. So he's been wanting to come to work with me. So he'll come to work with me and we'll bicycle up here. It takes about 30 minutes or more, a little bit more because he's slower. And it's nice that he wants to come with me. I like that. And he's made friends with a few students, and he's very friendly to everybody. And he does his homework. He has paper, you know, kind of kanji he has to practice. How you doing? Hey, I've been waiting for you, man. No, I already drank like most of the beer. Can you get me another beer? Can you get me another beer? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here's the money. Yeah, give me another beer, right? You know, the one that says 500 yen. Okay, can you do it? See? He likes to be independent. And he can read a little bit. He can read beer now. It's getting to the point now, though, that his Japanese is, of course, much faster than mine. It's getting to, not quite yet, but almost. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You want to sit over there? No, put your stuff over there. No. Okay, let's get your Coca-Cola ready so we can do kanpai. Pour it. Go ahead and pour it. Get ready. Pour. Oh, good. Okay. Okay? No, arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, kanpai. Okay, there's your chicken. This is my Taiwan ramen. Super karai, super spicy. And his with some chopsticks. Torizari? Sumimasen, torizara moraemasu ka? Torizara onegaishimasu.
Coca-Cola.
そうじゃなくて、ラーメンじゃなくて、チキンの方、唐揚げの方、そういうちっちゃい、そう。いいよ、これ。
Thank you. I'm a pig.
Okay, I'm gonna just use this. I'm gonna have some chicken here, okay? I'll take one of your chickens, okay?
いいよ。
Bye-bye. And you were in the toilet a long time, are you okay?
ここ暑いから。
When you're warm, you wanna poop?
お腹が熱くなると。
No. When my stomach gets warm, I wanna poop.
昨日の武器は
I told him Coca-Cola bottles are very dangerous, right? You can kill somebody, right? Feel it. Super strong, right? If you're gonna fight, man, just knock somebody out with that. But you should never be violent, Big. So Big, did you see that guy on TV with the other guy? Remember? He went up to stage and went, PAM! Remember that? What'd you think of that?
怖いなって。
Scary? Take off your mask. You're gonna get dirty. Put it over there. Come and have some of this. You hear me?
僕は
If someone says something bad to you, do you hit them? You don't hit people, okay? Remember that.
分かったよ。
What do you do if something's really mean to you? What do you do? すごい意地悪。
戦い。
No! You said fight. No, man, you don't fight. This is not very spicy. Oh, it's spicy. It's spicy.
辛い？
Remember.
僕食べられる？
No. You try it? Try one noodle. Try one noodle.
かけないで。
He said, is it hot? Can I eat it? Try it. 食べられる?
いや、
Oh, you try it. Don't be a wimp. Don't be a wimp. Come on. You can do it.
これコカ・コーラ食べたらもう大丈夫？
Yes, that's for sure. Come on, man. How is it? It's spicy?
辛いけど。
It's spicy, but it's just a little, huh? Want some more?
え？
Want some more?
やら。
No, come on, try some more. It's fine. It's not gonna make your chicken. You gonna eat all those 10 chickens? Those 10 chickens out.
食べる。
Let's get some rice too, Vic. Get some rice. Mom wants you to have rice. Okay? You like school? Wipe your chin. Dirty boy. Wipe your chin, right here, your chin. You like this restaurant? You like this restaurant? Why?
美味しいから。
What about the atmosphere? Kuikiwa?
え？
The atmosphere. What's a new word for you, maybe? Kuikiwa atmosphere.
雰囲気は、唐揚げとかラーメンとかあれっぽい。
It looks like a place that would have ramen and karaage.
だってここネザーの要塞みたい。
What?
マイクラフトのさ、
It
ネ
looks
ザ
like
ーの
something in Minecraft. I don't know.
ネザ
Neza?
ーの要塞みたいなところ。
Oh. Hey, what's it?
要塞にはね、ブレイズっていう敵いる。
Oh, look what the Let's go. You didn't get to change, man.
え？
Otsuri wa? Arigato. Nick! No, change. You're lucky they're honest. Sumimasen, arigato. You didn't get to change, man.
そんなのある？
Otsuri wa? You forgot $5, man. 500 yen. So some people just came in and were like, excuse us, there's 500 yen sitting in this machine, in the vending machine over there, right? Because somebody forgot. You forgot 500 yen. It's a big mistake, man. What should your punishment be? What do you think? What should your punishment be? You made a mistake, right? So what's your punishment? What's your batsu punishment? What's your batsu? What's your punishment? Huh? So what do you think you should get? Maybe no more TV today. What's your punishment? What do you think? He said, okay, I can't have my lunch today, which he already ate. What type of that, right? You already ate your lunch. Well, benkyo. No, his punishment is he's not allowed to study anymore. No more studying? What about your kanji?
Yeah.
You studied kanji already, right? That's a nice couple who came in. You should buy them a beer. Because you made a mistake. But the beer's all the money that you found. It's the same price. Hey, eat some rice. So who's your best friend at school? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend at school? Arata-kun? Why do you like him? Why do you like him? He can make a Pitagora switch? Well, he's good at making those. So there's something in Japan called Pitagora switch, but they're basically, oh man, what's the English? I forgot. But there's these contraptions where, like, you put a ball here and it rolls down and creates all these other kinetic models, maybe something like that. And it triggers all these other things to happen, and little by little, one thing connects to another and makes something new happen. So his friend can make these kinetic sculptures out of pencils and erasers. An old man is coming in that way. This restaurant is coming. I think old people would like this restaurant, right? I'm surprised that young couple like this restaurant. So you have one best friend? Do you have any enemies, Nick? Enemies? You're not? No. Everyone's your friend? How about older kids? What about the older kids? Are the older kids nice to you? Are they okay? Nobody bothers him yet. That's good. Hey, Vic, do people know? You know I'm American, right? What about you? Are you American or Japanese?
Japanese. Hanbu.
That's right. That's right. You're half. Some people don't like the word half. You know what they say in Japanese? They say hofu. Hofu. What do you think of that word? You like that word or no?
Hafu じゃないよ。半分だよ。
So he's not half, he's hanbun, which means half. But it literally means half. Like the word hafu is a kind of a cultural bullshit word, I think. But some of my friends, they have kids like you, and they don't like that word, half. I don't care. Hey, Vic, do you know the word gaijin? You know the word gaijin? Gaijin. Gaikokujin. You don't know?
Jin.
Gaikokujin to gaijin. You know that word? What is it? Spicy? What's that word? What does it mean, gaijin? They don't know, huh? It means foreigner. Someone who comes from a different country. Like me. I'm a gaijin or gaikokujin in this country, right? You understand? The mama is a Nihonjin, Japanese. I'm gaikokujin or gaijin, not Japanese.
じゃあ僕は
You're half.
なんでアメリカ行ってるから
Because your papa, me, I'm gaijin. And you're not gaijin, so you're half gaijin. So you're kind of half gaijin.
じゃあゾンビビッグマンと同じじゃん
Who?
ゾンビビッグマン
Who's he?
マインクラフ
Someone in Minecraft? He's half something?
トねネザーに行くと金装備を着ないと金の剣で攻撃してくる半分豚で半分ゾンビもいる
I have no idea what he's talking about, but something about a character in Minecraft. It becomes half zombie and half pig. Really? But you're half zombie and half pig?
ゾンビビッグ豚に雷を落とすとねゾンビビッグマンになるよ豚
I can't. I don't really do Minecraft, buddy, so I don't know. Every day I gotta put up with him watching Minecraft videos. So. Who's your favorite Minecraft video maker?
マゼスタド
Who?
マゼスタド
Maizen Stadio?
マゼスタド
Maizen
シスターズ
Shistaz. Okay. What about Hikakin?
ヒカキン2だね
Hikakin's number 2. That's funny. I'm making a mess. It's pretty spicy.
マナイ先生も面白いよ結構
Who?
スマナイ先生がさ
Someone named Sumanai Sensei is also pretty good. Hey, eat some rice. I told you, eat some rice. Eat some rice. Mama's gonna ask me what I gave you. You can't tell I just gave you fried chicken and Coca-Cola.
はい
So, Arata-kun is your best friend? What about me?
パパは
Who do you like more, Mama or me? Who do you like more, Mama or me?
ママ
Why?
優しいから
She's nice? I'm not nice?
いやいいよ2位に優しいよ
I'm second nicest. Who gets angrier more, me or Mama?
パパ
Me.
だってパパさ僕が悪いことしたらさ反応するじゃん
What?
パパがさいやビッくんが悪いことしたらさパパさすぐさ反応してさピーンってくるじゃんエンダーマンみたいにさ瞬間移動みたいな
I'm like the Minecraft character Enderman. Wait a minute. When you do nani wareru? Big wa nani ka wareru? What do you say?
ビッくんがアミに悪いことしたら
Oh, when I do something bad to my sister,
そしたらすぐ気づいてピー
then
ン
I
って
soon notice, and then
でエンダーマンみたいに瞬
and
間
I
移動
become like Enderman, whoever that is, from Minecraft.
で瞬間移動みたいにブーンってくるもん
And I come like a Shunkaido. What is that? some kind of monster. Monster? Like a monster?
ここにいるじゃん、ビッグ。で、エンダーマンいるじゃん。で、バンってね、消えてね、ビッグの近くにいるんだよ。
It's like teleport. Like teleport. Like teleport over. Okay. Well, apparently I'm number 2. What about Ji-chan and Ba-chan? Grandma and Grandpa?
じいちゃんが1位だ。
So you like Ji-chan more than Ba-chan? So Mama, and then who?
じゃあ、じいちゃん。
Ji-chan's first, and then Mama. And then
パパ。
Papa, and then Ba-chan?
いや、違う。パパがナンバー4。
Number 4. So first Ji-chan,
ばあ
first
ちゃん
Grandpa,
じいちゃん、ばあちゃ
and
ん、
then
マ
Ba-chan,
マ
and then Mama,
パパ。
and then me. What about Emily?
アメリは、アメリめっちゃ殴ってくるから、やっぱり4位でパパが5位。
Okay, so actually I'm number 5. My daughter beats me up. Because I got to work on my game, huh? Nice and spicy.
僕の鼻がブーって揺れる。
Oh, yeah, I feel it in my nose. I like how this. I like the tissue on the wall. What do you think? It's kind of good, huh? I'm sweating. Stop. Woo! Let me get another beer break. It's my last one, okay? You get it?
今度こそ取るよ。
There's no more change. You don't need to worry about that. Here.
今度こそ取るから。
Oh, beer, right? You know what? Give me the Nihekuen highball. Give me a highball.
はいで。
It's Nihekuen. It's called highball. Nihekuen.
食べた。
Get the change though.
知ってるよ。ハイボール、オッケー。
For 200 yen, they have something called a highball I've never heard of.
100円が2個
Yeah.
お釣り欲しいから。
No, you can't do it until you know.
え
He wants the change to come out. So.
取りたいな。
He goes, I want to pick up the change, man. So, that's funny. Well, this is good. I'm gonna move this over here. Good? Why? Come on.
じゃあお釣りやりたいもん。
Anything else? Vic, come on, hurry up.
はい。
There's some kind of sauce at the bottom.
こっちの欲しかったのに。はい。
What the hell? Look here and there.
すごいでしょ。
Oh.
これ見て、入れるんだよ。よっしゃ。ハイボール、ハイボール。
Okay.
ハイ
Eat
ボ
your
ール。
chicken. Eat some of this rice here. Put some over here. Want this here?
と、ほんとここ。
Okay. Eat some rice, man. This is 200 yen. The rice is super cheap in Japan.
ダメ。
Apparently it's all subsidized though. Okay.
で、ここに。
So next year you're going to be Ninensa. You're going to be second grader next year, huh? In 1 week, Vic. Next week.
ほらほら。
Who's your teacher? Do you know your teacher next week? Next week? Your new teacher?
見て。
Hmm?
チキンカレー。
Chicken what?
チキンカレー。
Chicken curry. It's not chicken. So listen. So he's got this homework where he's got to do 40 addition problems, and the best kid in the class can do it in 1 minute. He's been practicing for 3 days. Oh, my son. Alright. It tastes like whiskey a little bit. It'll be so noisy, man. Don't make that noise. It's annoying. Big. That's rude. Licking chopsticks is also rude. Eat your food.
チキンカレーだよ。
So, he has to do 40 arithmetic addition problems in as fast as he can. And he started, the first day he tried, well, yesterday, he started 2 minutes 17. Then he went down to 1:47. Then he went down to 1:40, and then 1:15. Right?
で、13。
And then 1:13.
13。
And the record in his class is 1 minute. What's your name? Saki?
立本さと。
She's the fastest.
1位だ
So
よ。
I had him practice, and he started getting upset, and he started crying, and he couldn't do it. Why are you crying?
だって悔しかったもん。
Kuyashi is like so frustrating. You shouldn't. You don't have to cry, Vic. It's good that Kuyashi feeling is good, but you got to try again. If you want to get good at something, Vic, first you have to be bad. You understand? You want to stop making stupid faces when I'm trying to tell you something?
Yeah. よし、ビール飲もう。
Okay, kanpai. Anyway, I'm going to turn off this video, okay? You want to say something to the camera?
で、待って。僕ビー
Good job, man. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Oh, the camera's too hot. Oh my god. The camera's really hot, man. Feel it.